Hey traders, welcome back to Forex Cracked. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that could make or break your trading journey. Are you ready to find out the one mistake that's quietly eating away at your Forex profits? Stick around because avoiding this could take your trading game to the next level. The biggest mistake traders make is overtrading. Yep, it's that simple, yet incredibly destructive. Overtrading happens when you're taking too many trades, risking too much, or chasing after the market out of fear or greed. Let me break it down for you. Overtrading not only drains your account but also messes with your psychology, leaving you emotionally exhausted and less focused. So why do traders overtrade? 1. Impatience. Waiting for a good setup feels like forever, right? 2. Revenge. Trading. You lose a trade and think, I'll make it back on the next one. 3. FOMO, fear of missing out. Everyone's making money, so you jump in without a plan. If you've ever been in one of these situations, don't worry, you're not alone. Even the pros have been there. The key is knowing how to stop. Here's how to crush overtrading and start protecting your profits. 1. Stick to a trading plan. Define your strategy, risk levels, and target setups, and follow it. 2. Set daily limits. Cap the number of trades or risk per day to avoid spiraling out of control. 3. Learn to walk away. Not every day is a trading day. Sometimes the best move is no move. Here's a quick story. A trader named Sam used to overtrade all the time and his account was bleeding. The turning point? He created a strict trading plan and stuck to it religiously. Within 6 months, he turned his small account into consistent profits. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to ditch overtrading and take control of your Forex profits? Comment below if you've ever struggled with overtrading and what you're doing to fix it. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Forex Cracked, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Let's crack the Forex code together. Until next time, happy trading!